Hello and welcome to the Blender Hobbyist. In this video, we are going to continue with Blender tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use knife tool. Yeah. First of all, I want to show you why we use knife tool. One of that reason, for example, in some case, if you didn't see my previous video about loop tool, please check it and watch it. And if you wanted to make a loop cut here, you can do, but in this case you cannot make a loop cut. So you should make a knife to you should use a knife tool to make a cut. So you can use knife tool to make a cut in angles, triangles, and etc. In quad shape, you can make cuts with loop tool. And I'm going to show you how to make it. First of all, if you want to make a loop cut, for example, press K, it is shortcut. You can see it snapped to the edge or the vertex. You can make a cut here, here, and go to here. Press enter. It is done. Confirm it. Another one, for example, you wanted to make a shape in the x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, and x. You can make a cut. Y-axis, x-axis, and y-axis. And you can see it doesn't make just a loop cut, for example. No, you can make something like that. But if I wanted to make a quad shape, I don't want to make anything like this. I want to show you another thing. Enter. You can see it added two more edges here because it doesn't let you without connection inside a face. And another one, I can press K, come here, but to come here, I don't want to make another cut here, another cut here. If you press right click, and now you can continue and to make another edge, and you made this face. Now you can use this face to extrude whatever you want. Another one, if you wanted to make a loop cut or a knife tool, make something like this, K, if you press shift, it will take the middle of the edge. For example, it's gonna come here, it's gonna come here. If you hold the H, you can make it. Enter. Another thing, if you want to make a loop, a cut here, sorry, not loop cut here. For example, you start from here, press A to angle, and if you press 45, you can see, or 50, you can see you can come here. To make an angled come here, angle, for example, 30, 45, 55. You can make with any angle. Another thing about this one, you can make a cut here. If you press S, you can see all the angles. Before that, you have to hit your angle, but now you know the size of your cuts, and 90. Okay. Another thing I want to show you about bisect. You know, it is here. If you come to click this triangle, you can see it is here bisect. If I press this or A, now I can bisect this shape. I'm gonna make this. Now you can change your size, X, Y, Z. You can change your angle, X, Y, Z, normal, X, Y, Z. And now you can clear this shape, inner, or you can clear outer, and you can feel this shape. That's all. The bisect is very useful. If you wanted to make a cone, that's why we use knife tool. For example, if you want to make a loop cut here, you can see you cannot make a loop cut because these are triangulated. So you can make a bisect. Enter. And now you can add loop cut. That's why we can use knife tool. Third one, I want to show you how to make a cut through. You can see here, just bisect, make cut through, but in this case, you cut just a face. But if you wanted to cut through all this shape, you need to make another thing. If I press K to shortcut of knife, if I press C, you can see I press Y, enter. But I want to show you something more difficult. Press K, C. I wanted to make a cut of something like this. Enter. And you can see on the both shapes, both sides, we have the same cut. Another one, it is not actually a knife, it is a knife project. For example, you wanted to cut this cut this cube with this circle. First of all, adjust your circle and then press tab to go to edit mode, and then from this outliner select circle, go to mesh, press knife project. It's gonna cut from your wheel, so Control Z. If you want to cut this shape, go to knife project. The problem you have seen before, if I Control Z, if I wanted to cut this shape in this view, you can see it made it. Of course, you can use a bezier at the same time. And you can use, not this one, you can use this bezier too. If you want to make this one, knife project. Now you can see you have this side to make something different cut. Of course, you can use text as a cut, and then you can extrude it or push it inside. And that's all I wanted to show you in this video. And if you think this is useful for you, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and see you at next video. Thanks for watching.